Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update, and this is for Wednesday, the 23rd of January, 2019 at 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm a little late. I did this whole recording a moment ago. I forgot to put it in high definition, so I'm doing it again. As you can see, the stock market's up. I think it got up today to some big numbers. I was hoping to get higher towards the 2660 level in the S&P, but the Dow got right where I thought, and the market could back off a little bit from here. Energy prices trying to weaken just a little bit. Grains are pretty stable. Bonds and notes, well, the bond market keeps getting more and more of a bear signal. It just keeps, if you will, getting close to what we call that embedded reading, but you'll see that this afternoon in the financial videos. The dollar index slightly weaker. Did not help today to see Kevin Hassett, our chairman of the Economic Council, come out and say he doesn't see any growth in the U.S. in the first quarter. Whoa, that's probably what set the market off a little bit. When we go to the Fed manufacturing data today, you can see that the numbers as they're coming out, nothing stellar here. It's a smaller area as well. I don't put all that much into it. Red Book sales, they were down the first 2 weeks of January. When you compare January to the other January, they were good. Retail sales were up 7% in the week January versus a week ago this time. So the consumer's there, not going crazy, but he's there. Mortgage numbers, as we step over here, I look at the minus numbers. That's what I've taught myself to do. And when I'm seeing that, it's not good. They're not getting the business done. We saw that yesterday in the home sales. That's a real weak target. In Japan, I'm going to start down here. Their exports fell the most in 2 years on sharp demand loss from China. Their exports slid 7%, putting the economy there, their trade deficit with China is now come into place, first time in 3 years. Eurozone flash consumer confidence, a negative 7.9 from December's negative 8.3, so it's not quite as bad. The central bank in Japan, I'm jumping around here, but they stuck with their outlook. Let's leave it at that. Stats Canada, November retail sales data, off 0.9% from the prior month and off 0.6 month over month, excluding auto. The EIA just came out and reported that U.S. shale production for the month of February should only rise about 63,000 barrels a day. I'm not looking for big numbers out of our U.S. shale in dramatic fashion just yet. I think once those pipelines get open in the second part of the year, watch out. You get that excess capacity and they're going to turn those wells back on. Right now it costs too much to ship and you're looking at it going, you know, in the 40s where we're at right now in it, maybe I hold off and come with 2-3 months at this with it when I can ship cheaper and really turn up my production. That's what I'm expecting. We write about that and much more in our research. We're a commodity firm dedicated to commodity people. So the difference is we don't also have a stock business. The difference is we don't also do a derivative. We're one thing, futures and options on futures. And we have staff, including me and many others, with many years. I've got 50 years in this game. We've got people here that believe me, you'll say they're older, and I say they're educated. They've been around this. Be it our meat guys. Try to find somebody that understands the meat market today. You won't. We have our own weather forecasters. Yeah, on staff. So you probably want to see what we do and how it relates to how we're seeing the crops in different parts of the world and where they're going. We even have affiliations now through Brazil and the like, and they all come in writing about reports for us and what's going on there. So it's all these markets, financials, FX. I write a lot of FX for it. If you'd like to see our research, we'd like to put it in your hands. And how you do it is you're going to give us a call at 866-973-2077, or you can go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. You'll see our carousel of free offers. Sign up for there or click right up here. But if you're a commodity trader searching the internet looking for commodity news, we don't put ours there. got to get it from us. We make it real easy to do so, and you heard the word. It's a free trial for you. I'm Ira Epstein. Have a great day.